Life is bigger, bigger than you. You are not me. The answer I will go to, the distance in your eyes. No, I've said too much. Said it out. That's me in the corner. That's me in the spotlight, losing my religion, trying to keep up with you, and I don't know if I can do it. Oh no, I've said too much, said enough. Thought that I heard you laughing. I thought that I heard you sing. I think I saw you try. Every whisper, every waking hour, I'm choosing my confessions, trying to keep an eye on you, and I'm lost and blinded fool. No, oh no, I've said too much. I said it out. Oh no, I said too much. And I said it out. Consider this the hint of the century. Consider this the slip that brought me to my knees and failed. What if all these fantasies come fading around? Now I've said too much. Thought that I heard you laughing. I thought that I heard you sing. I thought that I heard you try. That was just a dream, just a dream.